Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome to Learn Reality Consult. Today, I'm going to teach you how to symbolizing data in Arcmap. Exercise 3. In Exercise 2, we'll learn how to view data in Arcmap. Let me briefly recap what we learned in Exercise 2. We learned how to switch the display of layers on and off, change the layer display order, and lastly, we learn how to use the tools toolbar for navigation on Arcmap. As indicated, today I'm going to teach you how to symbolizing data in Arcmap. Exercise 3. A key aspect of creating a good map is the choice of symbols, colors, and map elements that you will use. There are different ways to change the visualization of your layers. This can be done by using color palette or symbol selector from the table of content for fast color change, or it can be done using Symbology tab in the layer properties for more sophisticated visualization. So let's talk about the three methods as indicated. Symbolizing data via the color palette. In the table of contents, identify the layer for which you want to change the colors. 2. Double click on the legend symbol to open the symbol selector. Click on color drop down to open color palette, and click on the color you like to select it. So let's demonstrate it practically. So choose the layer that you are interested to change the color. So here, double click on the symbol selector, and then come to fill color. Click on the arrow, go to more, and this color selector. And we have color selector properties. This. So let's select any color that we want. Let's select something like this, and then hit OK. Great. So the color has changed, symbology has been changed. So let's go to main rows, double click on this, go this, let's use red, go to more colors, and then let's use this, place OK, place OK. You see there has been change of the color of the roads to red. And then let's click on this, go here, go to more colors, and then let's find something color of this, clear, and these are the R's, and then let's do special buttons, more colors. Let's use this and this. So basically that is how to change the symbology of layers through the use of color palette. Now we also want to change the symbology of the layers via the symbol selector. In the table of content, identify the layer for which you want to change the coloring of the symbol. To double click the legend symbol to open the symbol selector. Click on the color of symbol you like to select. So let's demonstrate it. This one, just double click on this, it just opens straight to the symbol selector, and this is the color. Let's change color to the one we want. Let's change the curtain blue. Okay, change, and then the rows, let's change them to something like black. The rows are also changed to black. And then the cars, let's make them red. Cars has been made red. And then the special buildings, let's make them ginger pink. You see, so we have all able to change the symbology of these layers through the symbol selector. Now we are going to the last method, that is through the symbology via the layer properties. So for this one, the two methods above do not include an option to change the attributes field that is used for the visualization. There's a better way to visualize your data using the layer properties. That is an observation. So in that one, first of all, you need, in the table of content, double click the layer name. The layer properties will open and you can select the symbology tab. An alternative method is to right click on the name of your layer in the table of content, and from the context menu select properties. So let's demonstrate it practically. Just it indicates that you can double click on the spatial buildings, a dialog will open, and you come here symbology. You can come to categories. Let's do it based on this types. And then you can change the color, and then we can make apply. We can double click on this, go to symbology, categories. Let's by name of the neighborhoods, change the name, the color RAM to this, add values, and then apply. You see the color has changed to more attractive colors. And that is it. So through the neighborhood, you can also change it through right click on it, go to properties, to open the same dialog, go to symbology, you go to categories, maybe this one, this, and then maybe apply. Okay, see there has also been changes. So depending on the kind of data that you are visualizing will determine the sophistication of the symbolizing on that kind of data. So you can go to properties, you have unique values, you can by quantities, color by quantities, you can by population, apply. See, there has also been changes. There's also been changes. So in short, that is how to symbolize data in Arcmap, symbolizing it using the color palette method, symbolizing it via the symbol selector method, and symbolizing it through the symbology via the layer properties, which is more sophisticated and very nice. Thank you very much for watching these tutorials.